You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that I know is super confusing. It means to become quiet, essentially. That's where it comes from, to be dormant, dormancy. And it's pronounced either, the most common pronunciation, especially British English pronunciation in English, is as quiesce, to quiesce, alright? I know it's confusing, but what is also correct, especially in American English, is to say it as quiesce. Yes, both pronunciations are indeed correct and used an interchangeable quiesce or quiesce. You can use both pronunciations. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments how to pronounce quiesce or quiesce, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.